Hey friends, welcome back to channel. Today we're at the Spotify Camp Nou to witness the latest construction progress. From the Tribuna to the North Goal, the third tier is growing fast and new surprises are happening. Let's dive in and check out every corner of our historic stadium. Because friends, after exploring the heights of the stadium today, it's time to take a closer look inside. We head straight to the VIP and hospitality areas to see how they are shaping up. The player rooms lead into tunnels to the pitch, while the tribune interiors show attention to detail and structure. The VIP spaces are nearly complete with bars, counters, seating, and restrooms already installed, while the elegant finishes bring the areas to life. Walking through these spaces, we can already imagine match-day experiences with well-planned layouts, lighting, and accessible pathways, creating a seamless and immersive environment. Every detail tells the story of a stadium that is becoming a modern masterpiece ready to welcome fans in style. From the Tribuna area, we observe continued growth of the third tier along the lateral side, extending toward both the south goal and north goal. Today's footage confirms that most of the lateral structure is nearly complete. Attention has now shifted to the bases and joints of the compression ring. From the heights, we see ongoing work on reinforcement sections where concrete slabs support the compression ring elements. Anchors around the first major pillar resting on the parking slabs are already installed, indicating that lifting operations may begin soon. A new concreting phase is active in the south goal. Formwork panels installed yesterday on the final super pillar at the expansion joint are now being filled with high-quality concrete. Nearly all super pillars along the lateral and south goal are complete. Earlier, the crane handled prefabricated staircases, but current positioning indicates preparation for heavier structural tasks. The curve between the south goal and Tribuna is now clearer than in previous days. Above, platforms continue delivering ceramic slats. At level 50, the VIP ring shows clear progress, with glass panels being installed in the central sections. Painting work has begun on beams and walls. This confirms that superstructures and anchors are already in place, marking a transition toward finishing phases and future ceramic slat installation. No new seating is being installed today. Prefabricated stands remain stored in upper areas, while one tower crane continues lifting prefabricated staircases. The parking ramp, recently concreted, still requires finishing along the sides. Some material movement continues, though several trailers arrive empty, indicating logistical adjustments. Back at level 80, supervisors and workers are concentrated around the base and joint areas. Final pillar details, reinforcements, and structural elements are being prepared. Entrance walls of the third tier are now clearly visible. A major milestone has been reached. The first seats have been installed in the Tribuna. All were placed within a single day, confirming that seating installation has officially accelerated. Work continues in the central VIP ring. With most walls installed, the third tier is now entering a more advanced closing and finishing phase. Ceramic slat installation continues steadily. Blue and red slats are already visible toward the lateral side and north goal, with platforms actively anchoring new sections. From below, alignment and color consistency of the ceramic slats are clearly visible. While wall painting is confirmed, painting of alveolar slabs remains unlikely. Lighting will play a key role in the final appearance. The compression ring pillar shows clear readiness. Support structures are in place, and lifting operations could begin soon. Completion of the ring is projected over the next year, potentially by summer 2026. The north goal profile is clearly defined. Ground preparation remains pending near the corner and ramp areas, which are essential for future use and occupancy permits. HVAC ducts and glass panels continue arriving. Glass installation is active on the VIP ring exterior and the Diamond Cafeteria area. Core areas remain active with welding and finishing. Escalators have arrived in the Tribuna, with more elevators and escalators planned to ensure full third-tier accessibility next season. Additional seats are unloaded and stored in the Diamond Cafeteria area. These seats are designated for the Tribuna, confirming lateral seating is already completed. Interior locker room corridors appear fully equipped and functional, likely for staff use. The diamond structure for the future Barça store awaits glass installation, while surrounding service areas continue to take shape. That's it for today's update from Camp Nou. We've seen progress on the third tier, ceramic slats, and seating installation. Don't miss any updates, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. Stay tuned for more inside looks at Barça's incredible transformation.